Hey guys, it's Mark with FindingHomesToday.com and just wanted to tell you it's Sunday and I wanted to give you a quick what is life as a realtor. Today started out with an open house at 11 o'clock. Then we ran through 2 o'clock, had a couple of folks show up, seemed interested, so that was awesome. Once we shut down the open house and picked up all the signage, my next stop was going over to meet a buyer prospect at a property that he really liked and wants to make an offer on. I had set up a second property just in case he didn't like the first one, and he said, nope, just want to make an offer on the first one. Very cool. So I told him after I get through with the rest of parts of my day, I would get the offer written up and over to him so he could e-sign it. Next, we went on from there to go meet a new prospect at a property that he had picked out, and we had found two for him to look at today, and I got those all scheduled and ready to go for him. So we went and looked at those properties, and it was unique. They were apples and pears comparatively. One was a newer type of a property, the other one was an older style property. And after he saw the first property, he said, definitely want to make an offer on that one. I said, well, we can do that, and do you still want to see the second one? He said, sure, let's go check out the second one. And personally, I think he liked the second one even better because it had a lower price point, and it was very classic and had some nice old wooden floors. So, home run for him. So I did the same thing with him. I said I got one more set of showings. Once I get back to my computer, I will get that paperwork right up, and in the meantime, send me over your pre-approval so we have that ready for the offers. Then I went right over to my last set of showings, and we had 3 homes for them to go look at. Long day, yes. So we went and looked at them. The first house was a house that they just instantly said, not our style, can't do it. I said, no problem. So we get up getting to the next appointment a little bit early, and if we get them early, that's fine. The seller was fine with that. Went in there, checked it out, and they actually liked that one a lot. So I think they're doing some serious thinking about it. They still wanted to go check out the third property. Third property was not a home run for them. So they're going home to think about it. So out of the day, open house, we had a couple of prospects I need to follow up with, and I'll do that shortly. Second prospect, again, like second prospect definitely wants to write an offer on the property ended up showing him. Third prospect liked 2 of the houses that we showed him, so he's going to be making an offer on one of those. And then the fourth prospect said they're going to think. So that's cool. To me, it's a productive day. We got people out there looking at their properties, showed them some good stuff. I got to see some new properties. So that's my Sunday in a nutshell, aside from getting home, getting in front of the computer, and doing the paperwork side of this business, which I will accomplish next. But all in all, that's what realtors do on a busy day. Aside from that, have an awesome day. It's Mark with FindingHomesToday.com, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great day.